Imagine one of the biggest names in the music industry suing one of the most controversial AI startups for mass theft. Now, imagine that just 1 year later, those same two enemies are standing on stage, shaking hands on a deal that could change music forever. This isn't a movie plot. This is the reality of the music industry in 2025. We are talking about the massive U-turn between Warner Music Group, the home of stars like Ed Sheeran and Dua Lipa, and Suno, the AI platform that allows anyone to create a hit song in seconds. Why did they stop fighting? Is this a victory for artists or the beginning of a new kind of exploitation? Today, we're diving deep into the Suno-Warner agreement, the death of opt-out culture, and how your favorite AI tool is about to change, for better or for worse. To understand where we're going, we have to look back at 2024. Back then, there was no partnership. There was only war. Warner Music, along with Sony and Universal, filed a massive lawsuit against Suno and its rival Udio. The accusation was simple. Suno had allegedly scraped tens of thousands of copyrighted songs to train its AI models without permission. The industry called it bulk theft. Artists like Billie Eilish and Nicki Minaj even signed open letters warning that AI was an existential threat to their human creativity. There were two main fears. First, the economic fear. My voice and style are being used to make money, and I'm not seeing a cent. Second, the artistic fear. A machine can copy my soul in seconds, making my years of hard work irrelevant. But then, something shifted. Warner Music CEO Robert Kyncl, a man who spent years at YouTube and knows exactly how tech disrupts media, realized something. You can't kill the technology. You can only license it. The core of this new deal is a word you're going to hear a lot: opt-in. Until now, AI companies operated on an opt-out basis. They took everything first, and if an artist complained, they might remove it. Warner put their foot down. Under this new agreement, any Warner artist is automatically included in the AI's training data. Every singer, songwriter, and producer gets to decide, do I want my voice to be part of the Suno ecosystem? This shifts the power back to the creator. If Dua Lipa says no, Suno cannot use her catalog to improve its pop music generation. But if an artist says yes, a whole new world of revenue opens up. This isn't like Spotify where you get a fraction of a cent per stream. This is a creation-based model. Think about it. If a user creates a song using a Dua Lipa style, vocal, or a specific Warner-owned guitar riff, a portion of that user's subscription fee or the value of that creation goes directly to the artist and the label. It's an active interaction model, not a passive listening one. This deal isn't just a legal contract, it's a total technical rebuild of Suno. And this is where it might get painful for some users. By 2026, Suno has agreed to move away from its old, unlicensed models. They are literally going to trash the AI models that were trained on the data currently under dispute in court. In their place, they are building new, high-quality models trained exclusively on legally licensed music, primarily from the Warner catalog. This means two things. First, higher quality. The music produced will likely sound more pro, because it's trained on studio-grade stems, not just ripped MP3s. Second, stricter rules. This is the end of the Wild West. If you're a free user, get ready for changes. The audio mentions that the download button is becoming a premium-only feature. Free users can create and share links, but they won't own the MP3 or WAV file. Suno is trying to move away from being a piracy machine and toward being a legal instrument. Even for paid users, there will be quotas, like stock photo sites. Maybe 50 downloads a month, and then you pay more. They are creating Suno Studio for the pros who need unlimited access, but for the average person, the era of unlimited free AI music is closing. Now, here's the most genius part of the deal that almost no one is talking about. As part of this agreement, Suno actually bought a company from Warner, Songkick. Why would an AI music generator want a concert discovery app? Because of the marketing funnel. Imagine this. You're on Suno, and you create a track that sounds like a specific indie band from Warner's roster. You're engaging with their vibe. Suddenly, a notification pops up. We see love this style. That artist is playing a concert in your city in 3 months. Want a ticket? This bridges the gap between a digital AI experiment and a physical, real-world event. It turns AI play into artist revenue. It proves that AI doesn't have to replace the artist. It can be the ultimate discovery tool that leads fans back to the human being on stage. So, what does this mean for the industry? Right now, we see two different strategies. Warner is saying if you can't beat them, lead them. They are becoming the first major player to monetize the very thing that was supposed to kill them. Meanwhile, Sony and Universal are still in the trenches, fighting the legal battle. Will this model work? It depends on us. Does using an AI to play with an artist's style make us feel closer to them, or does it turn music into a soulless simulation? One thing is for sure, the Suno you know today is changing. It's becoming more legal, more expensive, and more integrated into the traditional music machine. What do you think? Would you pay more for an AI that is ethically sourced from your favorite artists? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech and creativity.